Prayer. O holy and heavenly infant Mary, thou who art the destined mother of my Redeemer, and the great mediatrix of miserable sinners, have pity on me. Behold at thy feet another ungrateful creature who has recourse to thee and implores thy mercy. It is true that, for my ingratitude towards God and thee, I am deserving of being abandoned by God and by thee. But I have been told, and thus I believe, knowing how great is thy compassion, that thou wilt not refuse to help him who, with confidence, recommends himself to thee. Thou, O most exalted of all creatures, since there is no one above thee but God, and, in comparison with thee, the greatest in heaven are but small, O Saint of saints, O Mary, abyss of grace, full of grace, help a miserable sinner who has lost it by his own fault. I know that thou art so dear to God that he denies thee nothing. I know also that thou dost rejoice to employ thy greatness in relieving the distressed. Ah, make known how great is thy favor with God by obtaining for me a divine light and a flame so powerful that it may change me from a sinner into a saint, and detaching me from every earthly affection, may wholly inflame me with divine love. Do this, O Lady, because thou canst do it. Do this for the love of that God who has made thee so great, so powerful and merciful. Thus I hope. Amen.